All right, future bloggers, let me ask you something. Are you ready to step up, take action, and start your own blog that can transform your life? I'm talking about a blog that allows you to share your passion, build your brand, and, yes, even make money. If that's you, then you're in the right place, because today we're going to dive into the exact steps you need to create a blog on WordPress. Now let me tell you, WordPress isn't just any blogging platform. It's the powerhouse behind some of the most successful blogs in the world. It's flexible, it's powerful, and it gives you full control over your content. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced content creator, WordPress is the tool that will help you build your blog and take it to the next level. So, are you ready to learn how to create a blog on WordPress that stands out and attracts readers? Let's break it down step by step. By the end of this, you'll have your very own blog up and running, and you'll be fired up to start sharing your message with the world. Let's get into it. Before you even get into the technical stuff, let's talk about the heart and soul of your blog. You need to choose your niche, the topic or focus of your blog. This is where everything begins. First up, find your passion. What are you passionate about? What excites you? What could you talk about for hours? Your niche should be something you love because blogging takes time and consistency. If you're passionate about your topic, you'll enjoy the process, and your readers will feel that energy in your writing. Next, consider your audience. Who do you want to help with your blog? Think about your ideal reader and the problems they're facing. Your blog should provide value and offer solutions. For example, if you're passionate about fitness, your niche could be fitness for busy professionals or home workouts for beginners. Finally, make it specific. Don't be afraid to niche down. The more specific your focus, the easier it is to attract a dedicated audience. Instead of starting a general health and wellness blog, consider narrowing it to plant-based nutrition or mental health tips for entrepreneurs. A clear, defined niche helps you stand out in a crowded blogging world. Why it works? A well-defined niche sets the foundation for your blog's success. It helps you attract the right audience and allows you to become an authority in that specific area. Now that you've chosen your niche, it's time to set up the technical side of your blog. This is where you'll create your blog's home on the internet by getting a domain name and hosting. Let's start with choosing your domain name. Your domain name is your blog's address on the web, like www.yourblogname.com. Choose something short, memorable, and related to your niche. Keep it simple and avoid numbers or hyphens. Your domain name should give people a clear idea of what your blog is about. For example, if your blog is about personal finance, you might choose something like moneymastery.com or savvysaver.com. Then get hosting for your blog. Hosting is what makes your blog accessible to people all over the world. Think of it as renting space on the internet for your blog. I recommend going with Bluehost, SiteGround, or HostGator. All are reliable and offer excellent WordPress integration. These hosting services also make it super easy to install WordPress with just one click. Finally, secure your domain and hosting. Once you've chosen your domain name and hosting provider, go ahead and register your domain and purchase your hosting plan. Most hosting providers offer affordable packages that include free domain registration for the first year. Why it works. Your domain and hosting are the foundation of your blog. By securing a great domain name and reliable hosting, you're building a strong professional platform for your content. All right, you've got your domain and hosting. Now it's time to get WordPress set up. Don't worry, it's easier than you think. WordPress is the most user-friendly platform out there, and your hosting provider likely offers a one-click installation. Install WordPress. If you're using Bluehost, SiteGround, or any of the top hosting providers, you'll find a one-click WordPress installation option. Simply log into your hosting account, find the WordPress icon, and click to install. It's that easy. You'll be up and running in just a few minutes. Choose a username and password. During installation, you'll be asked to choose a username and password for your WordPress account. Make sure you choose something secure, as this will give you access to your WordPress dashboard, where you'll create and manage all of your blog content. Why it works. Installing WordPress is the gateway to your blogging success. It gives you a powerful platform with endless possibilities to customize, design, and create content. Your blog's design is the first thing people see when they land on your site. It needs to be clean, professional, and easy to navigate. This is where choosing the right theme comes in. Let's start with picking a WordPress theme. WordPress offers thousands of free and premium themes that you can use to design your blog. Go to your WordPress dashboard, navigate to Appearance on Themes, and browse the available options. Choose a theme that aligns with your niche and style. For example, if you're starting a travel blog, you might want a theme that emphasizes beautiful photography. If you're launching a business blog, go for something sleek and professional. Then customize your theme. Once you've chosen your theme, you can start customizing it to reflect your brand. Add your logo, adjust the colors, and tweak the layout to make it your own. Most themes come with easy customization options, and you don't need to know any coding to make your blog look amazing. Finally, make it mobile-friendly. More than half of internet users browse on their phones, so make sure your blog is mobile responsive. Most WordPress themes are designed to look great on any device, but double-check that your blog looks good on mobile before you launch. Why it works. A well-designed blog attracts readers and keeps them engaged. When your blog is visually appealing and easy to navigate, you're building trust and setting the stage for long-term success. WordPress plugins are like superpowers for your blog. They add functionality, improve performance, and make your blog more user-friendly. Here are a few must-have plugins to get started. Yoast SEO. This plugin helps you optimize your blog posts for search engines. It guides you through keyword optimization, readability checks, and helps you rank higher in search results. Akismet. Protect your blog from spam comments with this powerful plugin. It automatically filters out spammy comments so you don't have to deal with them. WP Supercache. Speed is crucial for user experience and SEO. This plugin improves your blog's loading time by caching your pages, which makes them load faster for your visitors. Social Warfare. This plugin makes it easy for readers to share your blog posts on social media. It adds attractive social sharing buttons to your posts, helping you drive more traffic to your blog. Why it works. Plugins take your blog to the next level by adding essential features and improving performance. With the right plugins, you can create a seamless, professional experience for your readers. Now we're getting to the heart of blogging, creating content. Your blog posts are the key to building an audience, driving traffic, and eventually monetizing your blog. Here's how to create content that resonates with your readers. Start by choosing a topic your audience cares about. Your first blog post should address a problem or answer a question that your target audience has. Use tools like Google Trends or Answer the Public to find out what people are searching for in your niche. Write a post that adds value and provides actionable tips. Then create an engaging headline. Your headline is the first thing people will see. Make it clear, compelling, and click-worthy. A headline like 5 Simple Ways to Improve Your Fitness Routine is much more engaging than fitness tips. Be sure to write in a conversational tone. Blogging is all about building relationships with your readers. Write like you're having a conversation with a friend. Keep it casual, helpful, and authentic. This creates a connection with your audience and keeps them coming back. Finally, optimize for SEO. Don't forget to optimize your post for SEO. Use your target keyword in the title, subheadings, and throughout the content. Yoast SEO will help you make sure your post is search engine friendly. Why it works. High-quality, engaging blog posts are the foundation of your blog's success. When you provide value and connect with your audience, they'll keep coming back for more. Creating amazing content is only half the battle. You also need to get it in front of people. This is where promotion comes in. The more traffic you drive to your blog, the more opportunities you have to grow and monetize. Share on social media. Share your blog posts across all your social media platforms. Create eye-catching graphics for Pinterest. Write engaging captions for Instagram, and share snippets on Facebook and Twitter. Build an email list. Start collecting email addresses from your readers by offering a freebie, like an ebook or checklist, in exchange for their email. Use tools like MailChimp or ConvertKit to manage your email list and send regular updates with your latest blog posts. Guest post on other blogs. Reach out to other bloggers in your niche and offer to write a guest post for their site. This helps you tap into a larger audience and drives traffic back to your blog. Why it works. Promoting your blog helps you build an audience, increase traffic, and grow your online presence. The more people you reach, the more successful your blog will be. All right, my friends, it's time to take action. Now that you know exactly how to create a blog on WordPress, there's nothing stopping you from launching your blog and starting your journey as a content creator. So, what's the first step? Choose your niche, secure your domain and hosting, and start creating content that adds value to your audience. The journey of building a blog starts today, and the possibilities are endless. Now, do you want me to help you build your WordPress blog? I have created a step-by-step over-the-shoulder online training course that takes all the guesswork away. I guarantee that if you follow the exact steps I show you in the course, you will have a professional blog online. Click the link below this video to learn more.